All right. Hello and welcome back to another video from Gerber Campervans. Now today we're doing a tour of this long wheelbase MAN van. It's absolutely packed full of features and additional extras and bits and pieces that the customer has chosen and spec'd themselves. So I'm really excited to jump in and show you guys around this one. But you can see straight off the bat just the externals on this van. He's added some decals to his own sort of flavour. We've got laser light on the front. And we've got gym bars on the front, up the top with all these laser lighting and down the side. So just looks absolutely incredible. But first thing we'll do is jump in, have a look around the interior, and I'll show you some of the really awesome features that he spec'd this van with. Okay. First things first, I'm going to take my shoes off because it's nice and clean and waiting for the customer to arrive to pick it up. But if you come a little bit closer and sort of follow me in, you'll see straight away that we are in a Gerber Harris camper van. Now our Harris is our long wheelbase camper van, which I mentioned before. It's got a full fixed bed in the back, which I'll show you in a moment. We've also got a full toilet and shower cubicle. We've got our kitchen unit that runs along this side of the van, so you can stand and do your, cooking, your preparation, and look out at the view. We've got our two seats at the front that swivel round. Nice and comfortable, so you can just enjoy the social space in your camper van. And on this one, we've got the bench seat, which runs up this side. Now, first thing to note, all of our conversions on the Crafters or the MAN vans like this one are bespoke. If you wanted, say, a rib seat in here, so you've got an extra bed, all those things are possible, and our guys can really build most things that you would like, as long as they're not too crazy. But this one just looks absolutely fantastic. So as you come in, you'll notice we've got the comfort seats on these, and all of the seats in this van have been retrimmed in leather. This is two-tone leather with the sort of diamond stitching in the middle. Looks absolutely amazing. And same for the bench seat in the back. And we can restitch any upholstery to a massive variety of leathers and colours and different sort of fabrics, if you will, so we can always match. Say you had a camper van bed in the back, we can always make sure we match it to your front seats, even if it's any of the standard sort of fabrics that come with the T7s, the T6s, anything like that. This one's been spec'd with comfort seats. What that means is you can dial in your weight at the front, and it's got a little bit of suspension when you're sitting there, so it's just really comfortable as you drive along the road. They're captain's chairs, so they've got handles, again, really comfortable. And these have massage built in and all sorts of functions like so. And the MAN van, identical to the Crafter, but with some MAN touches on it. And you can see the sort of dashboard at the front here, really modern, current, and just really comfortable, great to be in. You've got a large screen in the middle, as you would expect, and then you've got your kind of driver controls with all the sort of mod cons that you would expect from a new vehicle. But if we sort of spin around this way, we'll kind of come into the main camper van area. And the first thing I mentioned was this bench seat. And we've got one of our tables here. So it's just a really nice area, having the bench seat here with the table to sit, and you can do, as I do in mine, work on your laptop and keep super busy, or sit and have your dinner, and you've got room for, 4 people to sit comfortably in here. So you've got a couple of adults, a couple of kids, or just want to sit, look at the view and enjoy your lunch, enjoy your dinner. It's just a really nice place to do that. And this is really comfortable bench seat. And I'm trying very hard not to mess up this camper van too much because the customer's on his way. But we do have a large storage locker underneath this seat, and this one actually has a 2000 watt power inverter in it, and also a lithium battery. And all of the other sort of electrical components are hidden away in this one here. And we've got the control for our inverter just down here, and that's very crucial because we also have the DeLonghi coffee machine in this one. Now, very special. This is just absolutely a little bit of me. Anyone who knows me knows that I drink far too much coffee. So an excellent addition that the customers chose to have in this van. And we can, of course, fit all sorts of things, microwaves, coffee machines, anything you need. And if you do want them to run while you're off grid, we can fit, 2000 watt inverters, all that kind of good stuff. On the front face here, we've got the Vitrifrigo fridge. So we've got a nice tall fridge, and it's got a freezer box on the top, so you can keep all your stuff cold, and you can even get a few ice creams in there, which is nice. And we've got lighting all the way around the van, and the new Gerba sort of wooden slatted roofs, which are sound deadening and also look fantastic. Now, as I mentioned before, we've got a big, and if you just hold on, I've got some B-roll for this one. We've got a shower and also toilet cubicle in here. And this is a hot water shower because this van's fitted with a Webasto thermotop. So you get hot water on the taps and you also get hot blown air night heating. So this really does have absolutely everything you need to be anywhere in the world and just be really self-sustaining and really, really comfortable. And we've also got the fixed toilet in this one, which I'll just spin away. And we've got the removable cassette for the toilet, just comes out this front little part here, and it all works really, really well. As I mentioned before, typically you wouldn't have the coffee machine up here. We usually stop at these lockers at the end here, but the customer wanted this, so it's here. Usually you would have a little bit more of a view out from when you're doing the sort of cooking and stuff. But we also have a 2-burner gas hob in this one, and also the hot and cold water tap that I mentioned before. Really, really efficient, great little bit of kit, this one. And we have all sorts of different hobs. We have diesel hobs, we have a variety of different gas and sink combination hobs that we could fit. This is a can one, but we can do from all of the brands that we've got sort of access to. And of course, we've got large storage lockers underneath. I won't open up too many of them, but loads and loads of storage in this van. As you come sort of through to the back, you can see in all these top lockers, we've got loads of storage space all the way along both sides of the van. And crucially, we've got a lengthwise double bed in the back here with a big thick double mattress, and you would sleep sort of back door to me, so head at the back, feet down here, and that gives you a full length, full width double bed, so it's just really, really comfortable. And this one's got a sort of platform all the way around the side, so you can put, you know, things, your phone, all those things down at night time and charge them, and have loads of space just to put books around, and it just makes it a lot more spacious and a lot more usable in the back of the van without having to lose things in the bed. This van is finished in a sort of driftwood finish. I think the wood finish on these vans just looks absolutely amazing. We've got a Puntanella worktop as well. The sort of, you know, more neutral worktop on the wood finish looks incredible. And we have a whole bunch of different colors that you can choose from here. So all of our camper vans are bespoke to that level. So you choose the color of your cabinetry, the color of your worktops, you know, the sink that you want in, the cooker that you want in. If you want all these extras, we do have a fully bespoke service here. And we also fit curtains to your liking, so you can jump onto the Terry's Fabrics website and choose any fabric from there, and we will make your blackout curtains in-house and fit them onto the van. This customer's chosen these lovely curtains, which I think complement the van really, really well. But yeah, awesome. We've also got a couple of skylights at the top, one in the back, one at the front, just to give airflow when it's needed in the van. So yeah, everything exactly as it should be. What we'll do now is we'll go around the back and I'll show you in the back of this camper van, and then we'll have a wee look on the outside. All right, so in the back, just open this up. We've got 2-story sort of garage and double bed set up. I'll just put my shoes on. And we've got the winder for the Thule awning, the drive-away awning, which is fixed to the van. I'll show you in a wee moment. You can see this is the sort of upper double bed that I mentioned before, and if you wanted to, you could open these doors up and have access out to the sort of, you know, outdoors. Underneath, we've got massive, massive amount of storage space, and we've got rails, fixing points for a whole variety of things if you want to chuck them in there. We've got a gas locker on this side. We've also got 230 volt here, so if you wanted to plug in anything, you know, that requires a lot of power, hair dryers, those types of things, you can do so. We've got charging points for 12 volt. And yeah, again, just loads of storage on either side. You can actually turn the lights on in here and just get a bit of a better look. So yeah, I don't think you're going to struggle for storage space in the back of this camper van, but just looks really, really nice. And again, nice finish with the wood. I'll just close this back up again, and we'll have a little look at the Thule 2-bike rack, which is fitted on this one. It's in black just to match the sort of styling of the van, and I think this is just a really, really neat essential if you're going to have a big van like this. If you want to get away, be truly off-grid, be truly self-sustaining, you need to have a bike so you can park up the van, cycle into the shop and do all those bits and pieces. But as we come around this side, as I mentioned, we've got the Thule drive-away awning up the top, so that comes all the way out over the front of this van and almost gives you like another living space out here, so you can get your chairs out, get shade from the sun, or keep out the rain if it decides to rain, which it often does in Scotland. And you'll see on this van, I'll just close up the door, that we've got that gold decal, that sort of styling all the way up the van. We've got some carbon fiber wrap as well. Just little bits of additional styling that I think really improve the van. We've also got our gym bars all the way along the bottom with LED lighting in them, which is going to look neat when the van's in the road. And our Rogue alloy wheels in this bronze, again, just finishing off that really sort of aggressive off-road look. But I think this is one of my favorite MAN builds that we've ever done. There's just so much in here. It's all the right colors. It's got all the right extras. It's got a coffee machine, which just gives it a bit of a few bonus points. And yeah, I think this is just fantastic. So this has just been a really quick tour of this MAN camper van. Hope you've liked it. Please watch, please subscribe, please give us a like, a comment, let us know what you like about it. And we've got loads of other vans that are coming out that we've got videos to do very soon, which are very exciting like this one. So we look forward to seeing you there. Thank you very much.